Welcome to Trailvia channel. Hey there, fellow travelers, ready to embark on a historical journey through time? Today, I'm counting down the 7 oldest churches in America. These ancient places of worship have stood the test of time, and they each have a story to tell. So let's get started. Number 7 on our list is the Old Ship Church in Hingham, Massachusetts. Established in 1681 by Puritans from Hingham, England, this church has a roofline that looks like an upside-down ship hull. It's the last surviving 17th century Puritan meeting house in America, and yes, it's still open to the public with services every Sunday. Next up, number 6, St. Mary's Whitechapel in Lancaster, Virginia. Built in 1699 and funded by Captain David Fox, this church has deep historical ties, including connections to President James Monroe and George Washington's family. It's an active Episcopal church today, and houses some original features like a British silver chalice. Moving to number 5, we have the Old Trinity Church in Church Creek, Maryland. Constructed in 1671, this church has been a place of worship for over 300 years. With a graveyard containing veterans from every American war and an original black walnut altar, it's a must-see for history buffs. Now, for number 4, Jamestown Church in Jamestown, Virginia. The current structure is the 4th church built by the English settlers, dating back to 1639. Although it was partially destroyed in Bacon's Rebellion, the iconic bell tower still stands today. You can even see remnants of earlier churches on the site. At number 3, we have the San Esteban del Rey Mission Church in Acoma Pueblo, New Mexico. Built in 1629, this church stands as a symbol of the complex relationship between Spanish colonists and the Acoma people. With its 7-foot-thick walls and amazing vigas, it's a testament to both resilience and faith. Guided tours are available so you can learn all about its storied past. Number 2 is San Miguel Mission in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Dating back to 1610, it's the oldest church in the contiguous United States. The Tlaxcalan indigenous people, allied with the Spanish, built this adobe church. Today it serves as a historical and religious landmark with visiting hours and docent talks. And finally, the oldest church in America, the Cathedral of San Juan Bautista in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Built in 1521, just 28 years after Columbus landed on the island, this church has withstood hurricanes and centuries of change. It retains its 16th century Spanish colonial architecture and houses the marble tomb of Juan Ponce de Leon, the colony's first governor. Open daily, it's a living piece of history you can explore anytime. So there you have it, 7 of the oldest churches in America. These structures are more than just buildings, they are storytellers. Witnesses to centuries of history. Whether you're a history lover, architecture buff, or just someone who appreciates a good story, these churches are worth a visit. Thanks for watching, and happy travels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia channel for more amazing content.